Hey guys, this is K.Ilistration, aka K9 from Puffing Fish Productions. Just thought I'd do a short little tutorial showing you how you can install brand new cursors, aka mouse pointers, in Windows. The operating system I'll be using today is Windows 10, but the process is pretty similar across all Windows operating systems. As long as they support the .cur file, you'll be able to install these cursors. I'll be using the cursors that I've created as examples, such as this one here. So first things first, you want to hit the window key, aka the start menu down here, and you just want to type in the word pointer, where you can just choose one of these options that will redirect you to the mouse pointer section here. But what you want to do over here is look to the right where it says additional mouse settings. That'll take you to another menu. And then again, you want to hit additional mouse options. And this will take you to the original mouse settings options that was way easier to get in previous versions of Windows. But we'll just head over to pointers. And then here's where you would have your cursor, and just your normal select is your main mouse pointer that you see in your everyday browsing on the computer. And you can hit browse here. It'll take you to your directory where your mouse cursors are. So these are your normal default ones that come with Windows. I've decided to make a separate folder for any custom cursors I ever install, so I do recommend you do that. And then you just go to the location where you find your cursors and you just pick the one you want. So for example, I'm going to choose just one of these other ones here. So I might choose, let's say the joystick, for example, and it shows you a little preview of what they are down here. CUR files cannot be previewed by any other means without converting them. So this will just show you the different cursors that you might have downloaded ready to use. So for example, I might just pick this one with the tires. And then there we have it. You can choose to make separate profile schemes, or you can just hit OK straight away and it will say, do you want to replace original scheme? And hit yes. And then it should update to your new cursor. My capturing software might not update the cursor straight away, but there you go. It should show up now that you have switched to a new cursor. And then it's just the same process to go back into pointers here if you want to change it to something else in the future. So I hope this helps somebody, and happy computing.